There's several different fast follow-up devices that can be used on your resistance welder. We're going to have to work with you a little bit closer in order to find out which is going to work on your welder and with your application. A fast follow-up system is usually required whenever you're doing a projection weld, that you need to be able to move that electrode very quickly as those projections are starting to collapse. So fast follow-up is going to be essential when you're dealing with projection welds. But when it comes down to what works best for you, give us a call here at TJ Snow and we can help you sort out the best method for your fast follow-up.